Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we will explore how to design clean ad layouts using Frame Mask. Start by opening a new Photoshop document in the correct ad size. Use the Frame tool to create placeholders for your product images or visuals. Drag and drop images into the frames, adjusting scale to highlight key areas. Add text layers on top, making sure typography is clear and readable. Group related frames and text to keep your layout organized. Consider adding subtle effects like shadows or gradient overlays to emphasize focus areas. Use guides to align elements precisely,